Welcome to BotBee. Today in this video we will see how to integrate WhatsApp Pay with Razor Pay using BotBee. Using WhatsApp Pay, customer can easily make payment within WhatsApp. A secure and convenient payment gateway to pay directly within WhatsApp chatbot. Let's get started. Go to BotBee dashboard. In left side menu select Connect Account. And then click Manage. It will redirect you to WhatsApp Manager. In left side menu select Payment Configuration as India. Click New Configuration. Select Get Started. Select Payment Gateway as Razor Pay. And then click Next. Enter Payment Configuration Name. And then select Merchant Category Code as per your business. Then select Product Code as per your business. Hit Next. Enter Facebook password. Copy the configuration name. And then go to BotBee dashboard. Select e-commerce catalog. In Payment, select Payment Settings. Scroll down and select WhatsApp Pay. Select Payment Gateway type as Razor Pay. And then paste the copied configuration name. Enable Active. Click Save. Now go to WhatsApp Manager. And then click Link icon. Select Connect Now and then hit Next. Click Authorize. Select Setting icon. And then click Test. That's it. WhatsApp Pay successfully connected with BotBee. Now your customer can easily make payment within WhatsApp chatbot. Let's check a quick test. Thank you for watching the video.